Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this homemade face serum for glowing skin. It contains ingredients that will help to regenerate new skin cells, moisturize, and it can even help to protect from environmental damage. So the very first thing that I'll be doing to make this face serum is I'm going to go ahead and weigh out some walnut oil into my beaker. This particular carrier oil is wonderful because it will help to regenerate new skin cells. It's also really helpful when it comes to any irritation or redness on the skin. And for dark circles, it can help to reduce the appearance of them. A couple of vitamins and nutrients that you will find in walnut oil is vitamin K. It helps to improve blood circulation, as well as chlorine. This will help to regulate sebum production. It is crucial for building and helping to keep the cell structure of the skin cells healthy and vibrant. Unlike a lot of the ingredients that I share and show here on this channel, walnut oil is a little slower to absorb into the skin, but what I do love about this oil is it helps to boost collagen production. It's very moisturizing, and it's a great anti-aging ingredient. After adding the walnut oil, I'm going to go ahead and add another carrier oil, and this is called rice bran oil. This is an oil that is high in vitamins A, B, and E. So these three vitamins are very important in skin care because they will help to fade dark spots, smooth fine lines and wrinkles, and add some much needed hydration to the skin. Unlike walnut oil, rice bran oil is a lightweight oil that will quickly absorb into the skin. This is an oil that will not clog the pores, making it great for most skin types, especially those that have oily or acne-prone skin. I'm now going to go ahead and add some grapeseed oil. This is another oil that won't clog the pores, and it is fast absorbing. I find that grapeseed oil is a great choice for an oil to use on the skin because not only is it one of the least expensive carrier oils out there, but it also will help to hydrate the skin. It contains omega-6 fatty acids, which is great when it comes to protecting your skin from environmental damage. So now that I've added the carrier oils, I'm going to be adding the remaining ingredients, including this one, vitamin E. This will moisturize and reduce inflammation on the skin. I'm now going to go ahead and add some essential oils. The first one is juniper essential oil. This will help to balance sebum production as well as rejuvenate the complexion. It has a very woodsy but yet fresh scent to it. Next, clary sage essential oil. This will help to improve the skin tone. It has a very herbal but yet light lavender scent to it. After adding those essential oils, I'm going to go ahead and stir this for about 2 to 3 minutes. That will make this finished product more effective because I've combined all the ingredients really well. I now have finished stirring, so I'm just going to go ahead and pour everything into my dropper bottle. This particular formula makes approximately 2 ounces of product, and this is something that you can use on the face both in the morning and in the evening on a daily basis. For this formula, if you're looking for any substitutions, continue watching because I do have some recommendations that I think would work really well in this face serum. And I also wanted to go ahead and mention that if you are pregnant, please eliminate the clary sage essential oil altogether because this should not be used during pregnancy. All right, so I've gone ahead and poured everything into my dropper bottle. Here's the finished product. Now let me go ahead and show you me applying this to my skin. So I'm going to go ahead and apply 1 drop to my wrist area, and then I'm gently going to massage it in. Here's what it looks like. It does have a little shine to it, but this will help to give the skin a nice glowing and healthy appearance. As I mentioned earlier, here are some substitutions that I would recommend. For the walnut oil, use either avocado or olive oil. For the rice bran oil, safflower oil is a good choice. And then instead of grapeseed oil, I found that jojoba oil works best. For the essential oils, some options are petitgrain or helichrysum. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.